I'm going to give you a problem about things that come in groups. However, this problem is going to be a little bit different than the ones we've been solving with multiplication. Frogs have 4 legs. In a pond, there are 16 legs altogether. How many frogs are in the pond? Pause the video as you try to use a strategy to solve this problem. Unpause it when you're ready to compare your strategy to see if you're right. Before we give you the answer, let's look at what is the same or different about this problem and the ones that we've been solving and writing about multiplication in the past. You'll notice the product is given. You're not trying to find the answer to a multiplication problem because it's already been given to you. We already know that there are 16 legs. You've also been given the number in each group. The only thing that's missing is the group, the number of frogs. We don't know how many frogs there are, we just know how many legs and how many number in each group. But we can find out how many frogs. To solve this problem, we would do division instead of multiplication. We need to take the 16 legs and divide them into 4 groups, or divide them until we have 16 groups of 4. Here are some strategies that work well for this kind of problem. First, let's start with the equation. We know there are 16 legs, and we could say if we divided those 16 legs by 4, that will tell us how many frogs we need. A related problem is 4 legs times this many frogs equals 16. Multiplication and division are related very, very closely together, just like addition and subtraction are related very, very closely together. So what I might try is taking 16 and splitting it into groups of 4. So here's a group of 4, that would be 1 frog. Now I have another group of 4. I've used 8 legs so far. Now I've used 12 legs, 13, 14, 15. I've used all 16 legs. I made sure to put only 4 legs into each group. So I can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 4 legs. So the answer is 4 frogs. Here's another way that you might see the equation written when it's division. We could say 16 divided by 4, and our answer goes onto the top. Let's try to solve this a different way. Let's say I have an array with 16 legs, and I want to split it into groups of 4. 4 legs can go here, that's 1 frog, another frog here, another frog here, and another frog here. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs that each have 1, 2, 3, 4 legs in each group. The answer is 4. This is another strategy that you might try, and another equation that you could write for division. 16 divided by 4. To solve this, we could do what's called repeated subtraction. I could do 16 minus 4 equals 12. Take out another 4. I take out 4 every time because that's how many legs equals 1 frog. Taking out another 4 would be 2 frogs now, and that would leave me with 8 legs. Take out another 4, and that leaves me with 4 legs, and I keep going until I'm left with 0 legs. How many 4s did I take out? 1 there, 1 there, 1 there for 3 frogs, And the last one I took out to make 4 frogs. This is called a repeated subtraction, and you can use it to solve division problems.